Hi, my name is Thiago Luz from E2S.com. In this video we're going to talk about how do we learn a skill, how do we master a skill. Have you ever heard the saying, repetition is the mother of skill? There's no secret, right? To learn something we have to practice it repeatedly. So I remember when I was 18 and I was so anxious to learn how to drive. And in one of my first lessons, I was introduced to everything I had to be responsible for when I was driving. Look at the mirrors, check the distance from your car in front of you. Why? First gear, second gear. Oh, step on the brake. Oh, keep checking the mirrors, keep checking the mirrors. Oh, look at in front, third gear now. So all of that I had to be responsible for, and I was so overwhelmed about that. I thought I would never be relaxed and comfortable when I was driving. But then what we do, we practice it, and we try it again, and we practice, and we repeat it, until we can do that determined skill without having to think about it. With regards to swimming, it's no different. It's all about practice and repetition. Now, if you know what to do and which order priority, you can speed up the learning curve. I'm a believer that we learn better when we learn from someone who already know how to do a specific skill that we want to learn, and is a master of that skill. So we learn a lot better that way. Teaching children for over 10 years, I've tried so many things that didn't work, but I've discovered so many others that worked really effectively. And I'm going to share that with you so you can practice with your children and help them to become fully independent in the water. For now, stay connected and spread the news.